Good evening, TWF fans, and welcome to another match of fun-throwing extravaganzas. You selected Thompson, almost as extravaganza as my new fitness program. You have a new fitness program, Colonel? Of course, Dick. Tonight's match brought to you by Colonel Cossack's Active Lifestyle Guide, getting people in shape for crushing! Game of two, onside call that. Hardly, Dick Thompson. It is very important to keep in shape these days, would you not agree? I wouldn't disagree with you there, Colonel. Now, ladies and gents, on to the match! Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, wrestling for the mighty Dexterers, the thumb who'll knock you into next week quicker than he can teleport there, Adam Alarm Clock! Adam Alarm Clock is one of Dexterers' newest members and already a bright star after his match against Fuego recently. His time-hopping abilities make him a match for any Sinistra in the ring. Does you? Oh, how well my book will do in the future! And in this corner, for the evil Sinistras, cross his path, and he'll throw the some men's shoes on you and strike it with a crowbar. In a good few seconds, flat at that. The Master Mobster, Mugsy Thumbscrew! The Master Mobster of the Sinistras, and perhaps the most dangerous gangster to ever enter professional wrestling, Mugsy Thumbscrew is back to cheat his way to a win. A gangster to you, a paying customer to me. He's ordered 30 copies of my Active Lifestyle Guide already. Colonel, do you really think selling wrestling guides to the Sinistras is a good idea? Fair point. Dexterers, Sinistras, thumbs up, throw down! Lock 'em up! 4, 3, 2, 1. Who will be the strongest thumb? Tick-tock, Mugsy. The win goes to me and my team. Bad chance, Chrono Kid. There's a Nistras have a lock on this one. And the action escalates as Mugsy Thumbscrew and Adam Alarm Clock slug it out. Leaping Loogies, a headlock ends the first round. Headlock is nothing compared to the Active Lifestyle Guide's indoor heading solution. Crush against brick wall! Like mixing first, but very entertaining crushing. Other cold and flu remedies are available. On to round 2. Time for you to get on the mat here, wise guy. Let's go see you. Join it, freaking target. Go get him! I'd be lying if I said I wasn't expecting this. Mugsy's Thumbscrews, high-end muscle, pummels out of a long pop like there's no tomorrow. Good idea, Dick. Where'd they go? Try the locker room after the match. Skulls, yours, projects. I went back in time to earlier this morning and ambushed them before they left your place. Wait a little! And Adam Alarm Clock comes from behind at the end of round 2. After time traveling to defeat Mugsy's goons, Adam's in good shape. But who will win tonight's match? He will be in better shape with my book. Colonel Cossacks, I think you've plugged your book enough, Colonel. On to round 3. Stand down already, Mugsy. You do realise I could literally win this match before it even begun. Not on my watch, punk! Oh my goodness! The Sinistras is a joke! Mugsy Thumbscrew has used the Sinistras is a joke! And I alone! No, come on! You can do it! There, my daddy, my boy! You're talking to me, little girl! Hear me! When I say a girl, no one mocks Mugsy Thumbscrew! No, you're wrong, mate. Almost everyone I know mocks you. You've got to stop helping me like this, Amy. You're welcome. Give me a second. She'll really need to help you then. No one might watch Mugsy. Time to stop your clock! Here it comes, folks. Adam and Longclock setting up for the clock stopper! Tick-tock goes the clock cradle and he creased the tick-tock goes the clock. Time to count this sinistra. What a finish! Adam and Longclock pings Mugsy Thumbscrew with his signature move, the clock stopper, and will advance to the quarterfinals. A deserving win for the mighty Dexteras. Good thing too. Why exactly, Colonel? Because Dextera win rates are dropping like the sales figures on Colonel Cossack's active lifestyle guide. Okay, see you next time, folks.